again to our YouTube channel, International Institute for Management and Quality, and this is Kanaraj again joining with you for the video on top 10 reasons for learning Six Sigma. In the last video, you have learnt about the 5 reasons why you should learn Six Sigma. In this video, we'll learn the remaining 5 reasons. So in the 6th reason, what is the 6th reason to learn Six Sigma? Is Six Sigma can be learned by any graduate. Six Sigma can be learned by any graduate. You can be a BSc computer science person, or you could be from a medical background like a doctor, or you could be from engineering. You can be a diploma holder, you can be an undergraduate, you can be a postgraduate, you can be a pharmaceutical person, you can be a logistic person, you can be an MBA. So whatever graduations that you have, you can absolutely learn Six Sigma, because Six Sigma is common to all the fields. Okay, so as I already said to you before, Six Sigma is applicable in all the process. Six Sigma is applicable in most of the countries. Six Sigma is applicable in all the industries. So there is no hard and fast rules. Only this graduate, or only you need to have a specific qualification to learn Six Sigma. You need to be a graduate or a diploma holder to take a Six Sigma training or Six Sigma certification. So that is more than enough for you to learn Six Sigma. So this will give you an opportunity again across wide area of different fields where you can apply Six Sigma. Now coming to the next reason, that is the 7th reason. The 7th reason is Six Sigma could be learned. Why you should learn is it is a low risk investment. Six Sigma is a low risk investment. What is this low risk investment? Generally, when you have some financial savings in your account, where do you invest? You tend to invest either in real estate or in gold. These are low risk investments. Even after some years, you will not lose anything from what you have invested. That is minimum guarantees, right? There is always a minimum guarantee for such kind of investment. But when you are going to invest in some other investments like share markets, you may lose your money. So Six Sigma is a low risk investment like real estate or gold, where is the minimum guarantee for you. What are those minimum guarantees? That is what we're going to see in the next few other reasons. So you can absolutely invest in Six Sigma because it will give you assured returns. If you're going to take adequate attempts and to learn Six Sigma and also to properly experience Six Sigma in your organization, then you are going to get better returns out of Six Sigma. Now coming to the 8th reason. 8th reason, if you learn Six Sigma, you will get better salary. You will get better salary. See, a person with Six Sigma certification is considered to be as I already said to you before, is considered to be a person with good management concepts, a problem solver, a change manager. So they will be willing to give a better salary to you when you learn Six Sigma. So there is absolutely more demand for Six Sigma professionals across industries, across all fields. So when you are going to learn Six Sigma, you can get better salary from that organization. Okay. And now coming to the 9th reason. The 9th reason for learning Six Sigma is you will be competent enough in management tools. You will be competent enough in management tools. Today, management tools are very, very important. What is this management tool? How is it very, very important? So let us consider that a plumber or an electrician is coming to your house to repair your something that has gone wrong in your house. So a plumber or electrician coming to your house without any tools, is it going to prove anything effective? A way of repairing the work that needs to be done in your house? No, it's not possible, right? A person with a tool, a person without a tool. Consider the difference. So if you have a plumber with a tool, he can solve the problem easily. If he has no tool, he has to make a lot of errors in that and then correct it. It will also take a very long time. So the difference is this: with management tool, without management tool. Without management tool, problem solving is possible, but it will take a very longer time. Okay, and now organizations are not ready to wait for a very long. They want more faster results, quick results. So when you learn management tools, you will be able to bring out results in your organization very fast. To explain this, I am going to explain about one particular tool called Pareto analysis, or Pareto chart. Suppose you have a problem of getting repeated defects in your products, and you have identified there are 10 causes related to that particular defect. Out of the 10 causes, if you are trying to solve all the 10 causes, it will take a very longer time, and you may not on half the way you may lose your interest to even solve that particular defect. But when it comes to Pareto analysis, what are we going to do in Pareto analysis is we're going to identify the most important causes, like 20% of the causes which leads to 80% of the defects. We'll be identifying that, and we'll be taking steps first to solve these 20% of the causes so that 80% of your problems will come down. This is the effect of management tool. Your time is reduced, your effort is reduced. So you focus more on problem solving, solution, bringing out solutions rather than just focusing on the process. Okay, you're focusing on the end result. Now coming to the last reason. The last reason is the 10th reason why you should learn Six Sigma is career growth. Okay, so let us consider that you have very recently completed your graduation and you're looking for opportunities. Six Sigma will increase your opportunities by leaps and bounds. Okay. If you're not a fresh graduate, you are already an experienced professional, and if you're completing Lean Six Sigma, how it is going to benefit you? It can help you to get a better job in a better organization, and you want to move to the next level in your ladder. Absolutely possible with Six Sigma, because people with Six Sigma certifications are considered as very suitable people for top management positions or middle management positions, because you are aware of the management concepts, methodologies, the tools, statistical tools, techniques, analytical tools. So when you have a lot of knowledge about these, the possibility of you climbing up the ladder to top positions is high. So these are the top 10 reasons for you to learn Six Sigma. So don't delay, learn Six Sigma and make sure that you achieve excellence. Thank you so much. And this is Dr. Kanagaraj signing off on behalf of International Institute for Management and Quality. If you are planning to do any Six Sigma courses with us, kindly contact us in the details that is provided here in this YouTube channel. Thank you.